On this video, we're going to go over using your dual monitors along with your projector that is set for your whiteboard in the classroom. So in this configuration, you technically have a 3-monitor setup. And our first step in configuring everything will be to right-click on your desktop and choose Display Settings. In your Display Settings menu, you should see all of your monitors listed thusly. You want to identify physically which ones they are with the software, and you simply do that with the Identify button. You'll note that here I have the number 3 come up when I select Identify. My monitors happen to be located 1, 2, and 3. 2 I have configured to be my primary display. Should you wish to change that to one of your other displays based on their physical layout, you simply select the Make This My Main Display button. For the meantime, I'm going to keep mine at 2. My next step is going to be to decide to clone my projector, which will be monitor number 1, with my monitor number 3. And to do this, I would simply come down here and I would select monitor 3, and under multiple displays, I can simply select duplicate desktops 1 and 3. Your options will always be to duplicate your other displays based on the one you have selected up above. So once I select duplicate, I seem to have managed to change my display settings, but that's okay here. I simply select my change and everything is set the way I want it. Once we have that done, the next thing you're going to want to do is, instead of traditional methods of changing your dot cam on the actual between dot cam and PC on the dot cam, I would recommend using your Sphere 2 software. We've installed this on all teacher desktops, and the app looks like this. With your Sphere 2, you can then simply blow up on your screen, place anything you wish to display underneath. If you have any other issues, you can simply contact the tech department and we can help you walk through these procedures if you have any questions.